guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to complete the Skyline. Stay tuned.
Perfect.
Thanks for tuning in, guys. In this episode, we will get everything back on it, ready to go. If you like anything that you see, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's do it, guys. Okay, so we need to get the bumper off so we can get the headlights in. And I've got to put the grills back in. Alright guys, so I've got to get the bumper off. And I'll put it up here to get the grills back into it. Put the headlights in, bumper back on, and then wheels on. Also got to do the door handles. Still need to do these strips down the bottom, but it is too late in the day to go get some more clips to clip them in. So that can be another day. That's fine. And give the inside a good clean. Probably jump start it. See how it goes. Try to start it later. If it's not, I'll put it on the charger overnight. Alright, let's get this cover off. Okay, so I have to duck off quite quickly as the missus was going into labour. So it's been a couple of days now since I did the headlights. I haven't shown you the headlights yet. Didn't actually do a video on them, just some pictures on Instagram. But we'll get this cover off, we'll get the bumpers off, I'll bring the lights in and I'll show you. What am I doing that for? Let me just go this way. Right, now that's off. We're going to grab the lights. I'll show you them quickly. I'll put them in. And yeah. Alrighty guys, so this is the one that was broken. Didn't go crazy with it. I did actually skip a couple of the grits, which I just noticed at the end. So you can still see some scratches, but this one nearly dropped a few times because I went all the way with it. So I did 120 to get the clear off, then 240, 400, 600, 800, 1200, 2000 and 3000 grit, and polished it with wet look, and then I put the polymer protective on it, and it's pretty damn slippery. I've still got to bolt it in. I'm not too fussed about this one. Eventually I'll probably get a new one because of that and that. But yeah, gotta go get the drill and I'll put them in. Sorry about the rain, can't help it. Anyway, let's get these on. Or I don't do these up all the way, just allow for some adjustment. Once I've got all four in. There we go. Good enough. Once again, sorry about the rain. I do have the door open. Get some air in. Right, we'll get it back on now. Fully bolted up, and then we can get the wheels on. Right, we get these 12s in. There we go. Alrighty guys, the bumper is on properly. I need to put this strip on here, which I still need to clean up because it's got a bit of white paint on it from when I did the bonnet the first time. I didn't take it off. So clean that up. They all came out really good, so I'll just reuse the clips. Just pop them all back in. So I'm not going to show you that. Obviously the engine bay is going to have to be cleaned up quite a bit. But we can get the wheels back on now. So we're going to do that. Alright, all the wheels are on and uggered up. I just need to get the brake bar just to make sure. Alrighty guys, everything is back on the outside except for these little strips down here, which I'm going to have to get some clips for. They clean up the windows from the overspray. Just try to start it. Battery's flat. Yeah. Might bring the fuzz in out the back and see if we can swap the batteries over. Because this just keeps happening and got a lot bigger space too, so see if we can do that. Alrighty guys, just brought the fuzz in. Alright guys, so just put the fuzz in next to the garage. It's going to sit there for a little while, so I'm going to be doing a little bit of work on that while driving this. And once this is sold, I might get that back on the road, I might not. I don't know. But probably most likely be getting a Honda Odyssey after this. So K24 stuff coming up. Yeah, I'll pinch the battery out of it, swap it over. Alright guys, changing the battery over, I'm just changing over the terminals because they are smaller, so I'm making them bigger. So yeah, easy. Got the battery in there. It starts like it's never started before. Really good. Just got a lot of cleaning up to do really. So yeah, let's just move on to a better day, bit of cruising along. Get the number plate on. Yeah, I can drive it. It's drivable now, so yeah, just need to clean up the windows. As you can see guys, it's got a lot of detailing to do. It's pretty much all we've got to do is just give it a good detail. Still need to do a wet sand on it and a buff. because it is still rough. So I don't mind driving it around like this, but yeah, I'm gonna go entertain Marley as he's here by himself with me. I'll do all this while he's asleep tonight. But yeah, it's done, boys. It's done. Alright guys, Marley's in bed now. Just going through over all the windows, just cleaning them up. Done the other side. Just about to do this side now. Alrighty guys, that is me done for tonight. I've cleaned up some of the engine bay, probably half of it. Just need to give it a wash, so that'll probably be a little while away. Probably attack the liners, and yeah, I'm done for tonight. Alright guys, that is it for the Skyline for a little while. What is it that you want to see with the Forester now it's off the road? Comment down below guys. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.